everybody, welcome back to the MW Tech Channel. So you are right, this is the Redmi Note 9S or Redmi Note 9 Pro that they call in India. So these are the same two phones which as the Indian version, and this is the global version which comes with an S. So here is the thing, looks really amazing for the hand and for the, from the texture. Look at the color of it. It's really amazing, and this is not a flagship or something. This is a mid-range, low-budget phone, but Redmi is doing a great thing that they are putting high things in low price range. So this, remember all these things, but the price is 40,500 Sri Lankan rupees. So this is a low budget phone, but you get the higher end of many things, but not everything, but many things in this package, and this is going to be really interesting, and keep the price in mind. So let's do the review. Before going to the review, make sure you subscribe right now, and it's easy, right? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification icon so you can enjoy when I put a video right soon. So let's go to the review. So right out of the box there are paperbacks, and we have the amazing looking phone. It's look really impressive. So this comes in three colors, which is Aura Blue, Glacier White, Interstellar Gray. So this is the Aura Blue version, so it's look really amazing. Okay, so we have an 18-watt fast charging power brick and a USB Type-C charging cable. So the design, the body is symmetrical and it really looks amazing, and the front and the back side is protected with Gorilla Glass 6, and the body is made out of hard plastic, but still the front and the back are made from glass, and it looks and it feels premium, but it is not. And so it has a glass back, so it's a fingerprint magnet, so it is worth of putting a case because it's glass and it can shatter and can really safe. So around the body, so we have the side mounted fingerprint scanner with the power button and the volume rockers, and on the top side we have the noise cancellation microphone and an IR buster, and in the bottom there is the headphone jack and the USB Type-C port and the speaker grills with a noise cancellation microphone. So this has a amazing specs with the phone. I mean, it's a huge phone and a huge battery, and I will talk about the battery later. And it's a big display, so a big battery, and yeah. So let's talk about the specs. It's a 6.6 inch diagonal, which is an LCD IPS display, and it runs a Snapdragon 720G chipset and runs Android 10 over MIUI 12. So I'm not a fan of this the MIUI interface, but it's good. It's beginning, it's growing up like everyone else. It's maturing, it's learning things from others, so it's really amazing, but I'm still not a fan of it. But if you're really a fan of it, it's good, it's really good. I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm not a fan of it. That's what I'm saying. So I mean, I have to say, I can run for 1.5 days with one full charge, and I can still end up the 1.5 days with maybe more than 15%. I know you was waiting for the camera setup, because this has one of the best, not best, for this price, this is one of the best camera setups that I've seen. So it's a really good camera setup, and it's really amazing. It looks good and it feels good, and it's really amazing. So let's talk about the cameras. So this is an AI quad camera setup with an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera and a 48 megapixel f1.7 main camera and 2 megapixel depth camera and a 8 megapixel macro camera. They have used this 5 megapixel macro camera, to call that quad camera setup, AI quad camera setup. So we love 4 cameras. Who doesn't love 4 cameras? But most of the time we don't use it, but it's really good. But the 48 megapixel camera is it's good, it's really good. Oh wait, a tip here. So this because of the camera is sitting in the middle of the phone, in the top middle, so there is no wobbling when you put this thing on the table. There is no really wobbling because it's not in the side. So that's just a point. So in the main camera you have the 1x zoom and the 2x zoom and the 0.6x, and you go wireless. It's really wide. So what do you guys think about this camera setup? Is it good? Is it bad? What do you guys think? Just put in the comment section. So that would be amazing. So this is a front-facing in-display selfie camera. So it is in display, but it is not as it's you can see the bump and it's not perfectly cut out because this is an LCD display, so it's not an AMOLED. So you can see a really imperfection in there, but it's fine for the price. Yep, and this has a great brightness in the screen as well. You can go hell of a bright in daylight and hell of a for up to 1 nit, and it's so dim when you go for the lower brightness in this, and that's great. So the only drawback is the fingerprint sensor. It's fast, it's super fast, but it's sometimes, and sometimes the accidental touchers, it sometimes scroll down the top notification bar, or accidentally press, if you don't want to unlock the phone, it automatically unlock, because this is the normal resting position of a finger. So that's something just automatically unlocked, so you need to help in a different way to unlock the phone. So that's been it about this amazing smartphone. I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's really amazing. By the way, the looks and the greatness that they have built in this for this low price range, about 40,500 rupees, and it's great, and it's great, really great. So that's been it, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.